Tapos na.
So good day everyone. For today's day, we present our presentation entitled Preventing Authorized Access Security Solutions Against Hackers. So sa panahon ngayon, malaking problema ang authorized access para sa mga tao, negosyo at gobyerno. So halos lahat tayo ay umaasa sa technology araw-araw, pero yung mga hackers natin is naghahanap pa rin ng kahinaan ng ating system para makapasok, magnakaw ng mga pribadong information natin. So habang lumalala ang cyber threats, kailangan natin ng mga malalakas na security solutions para protektahan ang digital information at mapanatili ang mga tiwala ng tao sa pagdating dyan sa system. So ang papel nito ay magpaliwanag ng mga iba't ibang paraan ng mga tools para pigilan ang mga unauthorized access. So kasama dito ang mga modern technologies, proactive actions, so sa madaling salita, para maging ligtas yung online, kailangan maghanda o gumamit ng mga tamang tools at intindihin ang mga panganib.
Background of the study. So, the increasing frequency of cyber attacks and hacking incidents has highlighted the critical need for advanced security system to protect sensitive data and network. So, it is unauthorized access, often through hacking attempts, harms data integrity, privacy, and system performance. So, this project aims to create security solution to prevent unauthorized access and protect against hacking. So the main goal is to design a security system that effectively guards against potential threats, ensuring data confidentiality, integrity, and availability.
Object of the study. Putting internal first order, managing user access and rules, implementing networking solution, ensuring compliance with security best practices.
Scope. First is we can manage the system. Second is we have fingerprint verification so we can avoid unauthorized access and securely access our system. And then we have the internet, and then we have the security to avoid phishing attacks.
Of open source tools ensure cost-effective yet robust defense. Scalability was achieved using cloud infrastructures, maintaining system performance under heavy traffic, users access control through RBAC, and MFA limited access to unauthorized individuals. Reducing insider threats, challenges such as resource constraints and technical issues were overcome with open source solution and effective team communication. The project highlights the importance of modern security practices and proactive strategies in protecting systems from cyber threats.
Recommendations: continuous monitoring and updates. To maintain a secure system, regular monitoring is essential. It is recommended to implement a security information and event management system for real-time monitoring and alerting, ensuring that any suspicious activity is detected and addressed quickly. Additionally, regular updates to software and security protocols should be scheduled and address emerging threats. Periodic security audits and penetration testing. Regular security audits and penetration testing should be performed to identify vulnerabilities and weakness in the system. Using automated tools like Nessus or UWASP can help identity and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by hackers. Users' education and awareness. It is essential to conduct periodic training sessions for users and administrators to ensure they are aware of the latest security best practices. This includes education users about the risk of phishing attacks, how to create strong password, and how to respond to security incidents. That's all. Thank you.
Hackers.